Hey guys, this is Dan from Teesane, and I thought I would make a quick video to give you guys 2 tips on doing your artwork when you upload your own shirt on Teesane.com. There's 2 issues that I see happening a lot, and I think this is going to be a good video to explain how to avoid these issues. Number 1, I've got a shirt I'm designing here, and I've brought in a picture, okay? So this is my shirt design. I have my 2300 by 3300 72 resolution image, and that's where I'm designing. Now, as you can see, this picture goes right up against the edges of my image dimensions. You don't want that because when it gets printed on the shirt, it's going to have hard lines, and those hard lines really aren't going to look that good. You know, it's going to look like a block. It's not going to look very t-shirty, if that's even a word. So basically what we want to do is we want to take our Photoshop tools here. We want to take our eraser. We want to set the hardness to 0%, and we want to start with a big one, and we want to just come in and kind of do this and fade the image. We want to fade the image in a bit. You know, we want it to be a nice, there we go, a nice faded type of deal. And once we do that, we can then bring it down just a bit, maybe a little bigger than that, something like that, and come in and get a little more. You always want to have some space between your image and the edge of the total dimension width. So you wouldn't really want this right here. You want to have some space. So we're just going to go through and make sure we have some space. Now I've actually already done this. I've already completed this, so I'm going to get rid of this layer. This is the completed layer I have, the way I like it. Okay. So at this point, you know, we faded it in. It's going to look good on the t-shirt. At this point, we're not ready yet to export it out of Photoshop and upload it to Teesane because we have a black background. Now, yes, this is going on a black shirt, but we don't want that black to show on our Teesane product page. Now, when you upload a design with a black background, we're not printing the black on a black shirt because that would be, you know, redundant. The black does not get printed, so it will look good when it's printed no matter what, but to make your product page look good, what we want to do is we want to take this black layer here and we want to just get rid of it. And that's what's left, okay? Now that may not look good to you right now, but when you upload it, you'll see it will look good. So basically, that's how it's going to look. So we take that off and we go ahead and we export it as a PNG 24. Make sure you have transparency enabled. This is going to be a larger file, so Photoshop might take a second to do it. Okay, and we're going to hit save. Now once we've logged into our account and clicked add a new shirt, we'll be at this screen. Of course we click no, I already designed it, which will take us to the upload area. And we're going to name our shirt. So at this point we go to pricing and you choose your pricing. Okay, great, here we are. Now here's a black shirt, and we're going to find our design, and there's our design. As you can see, it now looks good on the shirt. You don't have a solid black, you know, thing going around it. Okay, now you can see a little bit of a line here. If that happens, just grab your eraser and just go over it a little bit on the edges, and go ahead and, okay, at this point we'll go back and we'll hit change, and we'll use that one, and there it goes, it's gone. See? So that's how you can sort of tweak your design on a black shirt to look the way it's gonna look when it's actually on the shirt. And at this point, we'll offer our woman's cut, and we'll hit launch my shirt, and there we have it. And there we go. And as you can see, the shirt looks like it's supposed to look. A design with black in it on a black shirt. All right, great. That's my tips for the day, guys.